Hello, everybody. So welcome back to Python Challenge for All. We're playing with words. Last time in lesson 109, we investigated English word length, taking the tally of word length distribution and then visualize the histogram using matplotlib. So okay, let's continue to do a little furthermore. This time lesson 111, 110, English character frequency. So last time we saw the word length frequency, but this time we will see English character frequency. So, meaning that we want to measure how often each character is used in words in dictionary. Okay? So just like that, just like last time, please, yeah, please, if you don't know how to you prepare a dictionary or a sample dictionary can be downloadable from the link in description box last time. And then put it here. And then after that, we can open it and read it into a list, the length of which is about 118,000. Okay, let's run this box again. Let's run this box again to see that everything is in order. And last time we tried to count the length of words using collections import default dict. And basically this is the same again. Use the handy default dictionary again. So let's define another one all the way down. Just in case we want to copy this and paste it here. And also for future use, we might want to copy matplotlib import statement as well. Okay. So basically it's quite same as last time. We read in dictionary. Okay, we will do it again just in case. Copy here, paste it here, and read in the dictionary just in case. Print the length, print how many words on there using this. Okay, and then the topic is we will use again a default dict. The two could be default dict int, and then we will look into the words like for word in dict_l, and then for characters in each word, we will do the voting. Okay, so C character in word. So it's kind of a double loop here. A word, word loop for word and word loop for word, characters in dictionary. And then simply, again, the two character increment by one. This is all, actually. Okay? This is all to take a dictionary. So let's anyway run it. It's quite fast. So we have, again, the same number of words in the dictionary. So what's next? Use the dictionary, nested loop for word in dic, for character in word. And see, so we might want to, this time, just take a look at list. Last time we just visualized it use matplotlib, but we might want to get actually the statistics of the words. For that, we can get a list of characters. So this is the way to have a list of characters for each words in um, dictionary order. Okay, so let's do that. Ans L equals, say, D keys, and key is lambda. So it's kind of a tricky thing that we'll use the length of word um, for as a key. Let's take a look at what happens to this in case of ans L. So in this case, oh yeah, key, yeah, we might want to sorted key, and then, yeah, let's take a look at this. In this case, we will have length in ascending order. So we might want to change it to reverse. It's true. Reverse is true to have it in descending order. Oh, I see. Of course, we need to take D2, not D. Okay. Here. So we can, if we run it, we have the characters in the order of frequency. Okay. E has the biggest frequency. I, S, A, R, O, T, N, like that. Okay, so we can have the character appearance ranking starting from E all the way down to I. Let's see. We will ignore it. So to avoid I, maybe we might want to um, so T lower here to have everything in lower letters. Now we have only 26 characters starting from E down to Q. Okay. So, okay, next thing is to visualize the result, just like that last time. So we must just want to continue it as, okay, for I, and also this I for ranking, and C for character in enumerate, and L. So L has the characters of ranking, and then we will start with one, and then character and the frequency of that character in dictionary. So here we will have the list. Okay, D2 of course. We will have character. E has 121,548. I has 99,384, something like that. Okay, all the way down to Q. So we will have graph of this, just like last time. Okay, XL is ans L, and YL equals, we will use list comprehension here. XL, the D of X for X in XL. And we will make bar graph, plt.bar, XL, YL, and plt.show. So this will make a very, again, we should use D2 here. This will make a very good graph of character usage distribution starting from E, the first, second I, S, A, I, S, A, R, O, something like this. Quite interesting distribution, which is, I think, fits to your kind of intuition, right? Okay. Lastly, I will show an alternative way to take a voting of character frequency without using default dict. So default dict is a very useful way to do the work. But instead of using default dict, which is automatically initialized as 0, we can use plain dictionary to do the same thing. So for example, instead of doing this, we can define D3 as default dict, plain dict, which can be initialized as curly bracket. And then for characters in um, dictionary, plain dictionary, we cannot just add one to the dictionary because it's not initialized. So just before doing that, we need to check that d3.get.character is already there or not. If not, we need to initialize as 0 or 1. Else, we need to use D3 character as incremented by 1. So I do the same thing, reverse order. So if there is already there, it will be incremented 1. Otherwise, it will be initialized as 1. So this will be the correct way. So this way, we can do this. We can have the same dictionary result in dictionary. So if we print D3, we will have the same result. I, 99,000, A, 87,000. Because it's not ordered yet, we will have E down here, 121,000. Okay, so now we saw everything about it. I hope you liked today's lesson, and hopefully you will come back again. Bye bye.